This is the new M-Guide drill kit for 16mm conical connection implants. The kit is compatible with drilling procedures for both narrow sleeves and standard sleeves for hard and soft bone. In this video, we will place a 16mm length 3.3 diameter V3 implant in an extraction site in the anterior area. For this, we will be using the narrow sleeve drills. Since this is an extraction site, we will not use the starter drill. The procedure will start with the marking drill. This is the specially designed marking drill. Its unique design enables drilling through the socket walls, providing an added value in immediate placement procedures within extraction sites. Start by inserting the marking drill through the sleeve. Make sure that the drill engages the sleeve before you start drilling. The next drill will be the pilot drill. Since we have chosen a 3.3 diameter implant, we are now ready for implant insertion. For wider implant diameters, continue to widen the osteotomy with the sequence drills. The M-Guide 16mm drill kit is yet another valuable addition to the MIS range of keyless guided surgery solutions. MIS, make it simple.